our first activity. Now, if you see behind me, in our N in science, you see a bunch of different shapes and some yellow stuff. That yellow stuff is sand, and also those shapes are sand. Today, we are going to be making sand slime. It might not turn out, I haven't tried it yet, but I'm going to be filming up at my cottage with my partner Gabe. And So we're up here at my cottage right now, and I'm with my partner Gabe. Say hi, Gabe. Hi. He is from the channels DNCB, Definitely Not Clickbait, and Penguin GJD. Go check them out if you haven't yet. So today, we're going to be making sand slime. It's going to be super cool. So the recipe will be in the description below, but let's get started. Okay, step one is you're going to get 1.5 cups of sand. So in our little boats here, we have 1.5 cups of sand. You go get some sand and put them in some sort of container that you can mix it up with. Okay, step two is you're going to take cornstarch and you're going to add 1 cup of cornstarch. Yes. So we're going to add 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Oh, no mess. Stays fresh. Quality. Okay, now you guys do it and we'll... Okay, so when you have your full cup of cornstarch in, you can kind of start to mix it up. And once you've partially mixed it, we're gonna put in 1/2 cup of soapy water. Yes. Keep mixing up the soapy water with the cornstarch. Okay, so you're gonna take your 1/2 cup of soapy water and you're just gonna kind of dump it on top. Then you can mix. And then again, you can dump it on top. And then keep mixing until you get your sand. Okay, so once you get mixing, now you can add your food coloring, which I'm going to be adding green and Gabe is going to be adding pink. But just a quick tip, if it's seeming a little too watery, then you should add more cornstarch. If it's seeming too crumbly, add more soapy water. So this is definitely a really messy craft, and I would really think that you should do this outside and not inside. But it's gonna feel weird. It's not gonna really hold together. It's kind of like our last video of Oobleck, but just sand mixed in. So you know what? After this, let's have some tests to see if it has the same kind of properties as Oobleck does. So you need a lot of food coloring, then a little. This is my first time making this, so sorry if this video is a little bit unclear. It will be much more clear in the description below. But yeah, this is so weird. So here's some tests to see if it's just like Oobleck. So you can kind of, I'll get a little closer to the camera. You can like mesh it with your hands, and then if you let it sit, it just sinks into a puddle. Then you can mesh it again, and then you can just sit. Oh, it's so weird.
Yeah, so like I made pink and my hands are a little pink, so just make sure to wash your hands after. Yeah, but like it's really like slime, but it's also not.
Non-Newtonial fluid has very weird texture. So if you take it in your container, don't use paper. Paper will just all fall apart. But if you look, you can like hit it on the top and it doesn't really move. But then if you sink your fingers in, they just go in so smoothly. And if you pull them out and you quickly pull them out, it's weird. So you're just gonna have to experiment around it. I think you will really enjoy this sand slime. You will definitely always have to keep it in a container unless you're gonna play with it in your hands. But it is very messy, yes. With the food coloring, will definitely get on your hands. So make sure to wash your hands before you eat, because we don't want to get sick.
Yeah.
But food coloring isn't poisonous. Sand, don't think you should eat it. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and let's cut. Now, usually this is the time when I explain to you what in the world just happened. But this is not a science experiment, so there's not much explaining to really do. Let's talk about what you can do with your sand. So sand slime is pretty cool, and you can mesh it and play with it. And another word for sand slime is kinetic sand. So you pretty much just made your own. You can mix different colors of sand. You can do videos with it. You can shape them into different shapes. And you know what I found is really fun? Cutting them or putting them in a big bowl and scooping them like ice cream or cookies. I don't know why, it's just the sound of the sand is so cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time.